This is the Big Tex 14 LP dump trailer. Today I'm going to show you guys how to grease this and where the locations are for the grease zerks. The first thing you're going to want to do is raise the trailer. Okay, so once you have the trailer lifted up, you want to grab the safety prop and ensure that it's lined up. And once you have it lined up, go ahead and lower your trailer down onto the safety prop. First two grease zerks that I'm going to do are this one and this one. The next ones that you're going to want to do are all underneath the trailer. So if you come over to this side of the trailer, it has a diagram of where the hoist grease locations are. The first three that we're going to get are all on the bottom section of the cylinder. First, I just like to clean off the grease zerk. So as you can see, first one is here, the second one is here, and the third one is there. Now, the instructions say to grease until you see grease come out the end of the tube. See here, the grease is starting to come out, so that's when you want to stop. Up here on the front of the cylinder, so you can go ahead and clean off that grease zerk. There's one here. Okay, you can see there the grease starts coming out, so that's when you want to stop. Also, two more grease zerks up on the top part of the hoist. So there's one on this side and then in the exact same spot on the other side. There. There's also a grease zerk on each hinge for the gate. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you come to the back of your trailer, there's another pivot point here, and there's a grease zerk on the bottom side of that joint there. So you want to make sure to get that one. So I came over to the other side of the trailer. Here's the grease point on the other side, and I noticed I'm missing the grease zerk right there. So I always keep extra grease zerks in the toolbox in my pickup. So I'm going to put a new grease zerk in there. Go ahead and raise your trailer back up. Put your safety prop back down and lower your trailer back down.